Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our YouTube video on body pain relief. This video will discuss joint body pain issues such as shoulder pain, knee pain, and sciatic nerve pinching. We will explore the importance of natural remedies and health tips in effectively managing joint pain. Throughout this video, we provide valuable information and practical solutions to help alleviate your body's pain. Whether you're dealing with chronic discomfort or occasional aches, we're here to guide you toward relief. Key sections to be covered. 1. Overview of common body pain issues. We will delve into the causes and symptoms of shoulder pain, knee pain, and sciatic nerve pinch nerve, offering insights into how these conditions can impact your daily life. 2. Importance of natural remedies. Discover the benefits of using natural remedies such as herbs, essential oils, and lifestyle changes to alleviate joint pain without relying solely on medication. 3. Health tips for managing joint pain. Learn practical strategies for improving joint health, including exercise routines, dietary recommendations, and self-care practices to promote overall well-being. Enable yourself with knowledge and practical tips to address your body pain concerns. Let's embark on this journey towards a healthier, pain-free lifestyle together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you always get updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Home remedies for body pain relief. Several natural remedies can provide effective relief when managing body pain at home. Let's explore some simple yet powerful solutions to help alleviate different types of body pain. 1. Hot-cold compress. Applying a hot or cold compress to the affected area can help reduce inflammation and ease discomfort. Use a heating pad or an ice pack for quick relief from muscle soreness and joint pain. 2. Epsom salt baths. Soaking in a warm bath with Epsom salts can help relax muscles, reduce tension, and promote healing. The magnesium in Epsom salts can also aid in relieving pain and stiffness. 3. Turmeric milk. Turmeric contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate pain and swelling. Enjoy a warm cup of turmeric milk before bedtime to soothe joint pain and improve overall well-being. In addition to these remedies, incorporating essential oils, herbal teas, and gentle stretching exercises can enhance your body's pain relief efforts. Remember to prioritize rest, stay hydrated, and maintain proper posture to prevent and manage body pain effectively at home. By adopting these holistic approaches, you can take control of your well-being and experience greater comfort in your daily life. Instant pain relief techniques. In this segment, we will showcase quick and practical techniques for instant pain relief in various body areas. Whether you're experiencing shoulder pain, knee discomfort, or sciatic nerve pinch nerve, these techniques can provide immediate relief. 1. Acupressure points. Learn how to apply pressure to specific acupressure points to alleviate shoulder pain, knee pain, and sciatic nerve pinch nerve. Targeting these points can help release tension, improve circulation, and reduce pain in these areas. 2. Breathing exercises and mindfulness techniques. Practice deep breathing exercises and mindfulness techniques to calm your mind and relax your body. Focusing on your breath and being present in the moment can effectively reduce joint pain and promote overall well-being. 3. Visualization methods. Use visualization techniques to imagine a soothing and healing environment. Visualizing yourself free from pain and discomfort can help shift your mindset and alleviate immediate pain. We encourage you to incorporate these instant pain relief techniques into your daily routine for long-term pain management. By regularly practicing these methods, you can empower yourself to take control of your pain and enhance your quality of life. Shoulder pain management strategies. This section will explore practical tips and exercises for relieving and preventing shoulder pain. Whether you're dealing with occasional discomfort or chronic shoulder issues, implementing these strategies can significantly improve your overall shoulder health. 1. Shoulder stretches and strengthening exercises. Learn a series of shoulder stretches and strengthening exercises to improve flexibility and stability in your shoulder joints. Incorporating these exercises into your daily routine can alleviate tension, reduce pain, and prevent future injuries. 2. Proper ergonomics. Emphasize the importance of proper ergonomics to prevent shoulder strain in your daily activities. Whether working at a desk, lifting heavy objects, or engaging in physical activities, practicing good posture and body mechanics can help reduce the risk of shoulder pain. 3. Heat therapy, cold therapy, and shoulder massages. Discover the benefits of heat therapy, cold therapy, and shoulder massages in managing shoulder pain. Heat can help relax muscles and increase blood flow, while cold therapy can reduce inflammation and numb pain. Additionally, gentle shoulder massages can help release tension and promote relaxation in the shoulder area. Remember, if your shoulder pain persists or worsens despite trying these management strategies, it's essential to seek professional help from a healthcare provider or a physical therapist. Don't hesitate to address any persistent shoulder issues to ensure proper diagnosis and treatment for long-term shoulder health. Knee pain relief methods. This segment will explore various effective ways to alleviate knee pain and enhance health. Whether you're dealing with knee discomfort due to injury, arthritis, or overuse, implementing these methods can help you find relief and improve your overall knee function. 1. Low-impact exercises, knee braces, and proper footwear. Incorporate low-impact exercises such as swimming, cycling, and yoga to strengthen the muscles around your knees and reduce stress on the joints. Consider using knee braces for added support and stability, and choose proper footwear with adequate cushioning and arch support to alleviate knee pain during physical activities. 2. Weight management, physical therapy, and knee strengthening exercises. Maintain a healthy weight to reduce the load on your knees and minimize strain. Engage in physical therapy sessions to improve knee mobility, flexibility, and strength. Perform knee strengthening exercises like leg lifts, squats, and lunges to enhance the stability of your knee joints and alleviate pain. 3. Avoiding high-impact activities. Avoiding high-impact activities such as running, jumping, and intense sports can exacerbate knee pain and lead to further injury. Opt for gentler forms of exercise that are kinder to your knees and promote joint health in the long run. By incorporating these knee pain relief methods into your daily routine and lifestyle choices, you can effectively manage knee discomfort, enhance knee function, and enjoy improved mobility and quality of life. Managing sciatic nerve pinched nerve. In this segment, we will provide valuable insights into sciatic nerve pinched nerve, including its causes, symptoms, and treatment options. Understanding how to manage sciatic nerve pain is crucial for alleviating discomfort and improving your quality of life. 1. Proper posture, stretching, and sciatica-specific exercises. Emphasize the importance of maintaining proper posture to reduce pressure on the sciatic nerve and prevent worsening symptoms. Incorporate gentle stretching exercises that target the lower back, hips, and legs to alleviate tension and improve flexibility. Engage in sciatica-specific exercises recommended by healthcare professionals to strengthen the muscles supporting the spine and alleviate nerve compression. 2. Heat packs, ice packs, and anti-inflammatory foods. Heat packs can relax tight muscles and increase blood flow to the affected area, relieving sciatic nerve pain. Ice packs can help reduce inflammation and numb pain, especially during acute flare-ups. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods such as turmeric, ginger, and leafy greens into your diet to help reduce inflammation and support nerve health. 3. Consultation with healthcare professionals. Encourage viewers to seek guidance from healthcare professionals, such as doctors, physical therapists, or chiropractors, for personalized treatment recommendations tailored to their conditions. A healthcare provider can offer a comprehensive assessment, diagnosis, and treatment plan to manage sciatic nerve pinched nerve and promote recovery effectively. By implementing these management strategies and seeking professional guidance, you can take proactive steps toward managing sciatic nerve pain, improving mobility, and enhancing your overall well-being. Effective joint pain remedies. This section will explore natural remedies and lifestyle changes that can help alleviate joint pain and enhance joint health. By incorporating these strategies into your daily routine, you can experience discomfort relief and promote your joints' overall well-being. 1. Dietary tips, supplements, and gentle exercises. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet to support joint health and reduce inflammation. Add supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, glucosamine, and turmeric to your regimen to help manage joint pain and improve mobility. Engage in gentle exercises such as swimming, yoga, and walking to strengthen muscles, increase flexibility, and reduce joint stiffness. 2. Benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, glucosamine, and turmeric. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil can help reduce joint inflammation and alleviate pain. Glucosamine supplements may support cartilage health and joint function, while turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can help manage joint pain and swelling effectively. 3. Maintaining a healthy weight and staying active. Maintain a healthy weight to reduce the strain on your joints and minimize the risk of joint pain and arthritis. Stay active through regular exercise to keep your joints flexible, strengthen surrounding muscles, and improve overall joint function. By incorporating these lifestyle changes, you can support your joint health, manage pain, and enhance your quality of life. Natural remedies and health tips. This segment will explore holistic approaches and preventive measures for managing body pain naturally. By incorporating these natural remedies and health tips into your daily routine, you can address pain at its root cause and promote overall well-being. 1. Benefits of yoga, meditation, and mindfulness practices. Engage in yoga poses that focus on stretching, strengthening, and relaxation to alleviate body pain and improve flexibility. Incorporate meditation and mindfulness practices to cultivate a sense of calm, reduce stress, and enhance your pain tolerance. 2. Role of proper nutrition, hydration, and stress management. Prioritize a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to support your overall health and reduce inflammation that may contribute to body pain. Stay hydrated to maintain joint lubrication and muscle function. Practice stress management techniques such as deep breathing, journaling, or spending time in nature to lower stress levels, which can exacerbate pain. Incorporate regular exercise, adequate rest, and self-care practices into your daily routine to support your body's natural healing processes. Massage and physical therapy techniques. This section will showcase effective massage techniques and physical therapy exercises that can help alleviate pain, promote muscle relaxation, and improve overall mobility. Whether you're seeking relief from shoulder, knee, or joint pain, incorporating these techniques into your routine can significantly improve your well-being. 1. Self-massage techniques for pain relief. Learn self-massage techniques that target specific body areas, such as the shoulders, knees, and joints, to reduce tension, increase circulation, and alleviate pain. By applying gentle pressure and kneading motions, you can release tight muscles, improve flexibility, and enhance your range of motion. 2. Benefits of professional massages, chiropractic care, and physiotherapy. Explore the benefits of professional massages, chiropractic adjustments, and physiotherapy sessions in managing chronic pain and promoting healing. Skilled therapists can provide targeted treatments, personalized care plans, and hands-on techniques to address underlying issues, restore function, and alleviate discomfort effectively. These professionals can assess their condition, recommend appropriate interventions, and guide them through tailored exercises to support their recovery and long-term pain management. By incorporating these massage and physical therapy techniques into your pain management routine and seeking professional assistance when needed, you can take proactive steps towards relieving pain, improving mobility, and enhancing your overall quality of life. We've highlighted the importance of embracing holistic approaches such as yoga, meditation, and proper nutrition to support your body's natural healing processes and reduce pain. Remember to prioritize self-care, stay active, and maintain a balanced lifestyle to promote joint health and mobility. If you're experiencing persistent or severe pain, don't hesitate to seek professional help from healthcare providers, physical therapists, or chiropractors. Your well-being is paramount, and getting the proper guidance and treatment can make a difference in managing your pain effectively. We encourage you to take charge of your health and explore the resources available for pain relief. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video for more valuable pain relief and wellness content. Let's embark on a journey towards a healthier, pain-free life together.